Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Google DNS to your PlayStation 5 for a better gaming experience over the internet. So let's go up to the top, go to Settings right here and select this. Go to Network. Then go to Settings, go to Set up Internet Connection. And then you can see my currently connected internet, press Options on it. Go to Advanced Settings. Then go to DNS Settings and switch this from automatic to manual. And then go to primary DNS and type in 8.8.8.8 for the primary. Then go to the secondary right here and type in 8.8.4.4 and then go on over to OK. And then this will load. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.